Hello everyone. Next we are going to take a low ponytail and then applying a pin into our hair. After that dividing the ponytail into 3 parts and securing it with the help of this pin. After that we are going to take all of the remaining hair together, joining it with a rubber band and then folding it with the help of a bobby pin. Next we are going to take a low ponytail and then dividing it into 2 parts, folding it out into a bun and then securing it with a pin. After that you can apply any kind of clutchers or clip to it as you want and it is ready. Next we are going to take a high ponytail, then we are going to take some part of it and securing it with a rubber band, then taking rest of the hair, again applying a rubber band at the bottom and converting it into a beautiful voluminous bun by using this pink clip. Next we are going to take a low ponytail, we are going to take some part of it and then we are going to fold it out like this into a loose bun and then applying a clip. Next we are going to take a low ponytail, then we are going to loosen it up, making a space in between and folding it all out and at last applying a rubber band on it. Now you can apply any kind of clips or clutchers.